This next question breaks my heart to see, and even more so given that there were multiple questions worded almost identically about it, and that is, how to make video editing less tedious and soul-crushing. My gut reaction to this, and I mean this in the best possible way, but my gut reaction to this, knowing zero context of what they're editing and what creative work they're doing, my gut reaction to that is, you're just making bad videos. If the editing process is that tedious and soul-crushing, you're not making good content, either because the content is bad, thus the editing experience is bad, or you're having a bad experience editing, thus the end result you make is going to be bad. Like, it doesn't matter which one's the chicken or the egg here. The end result is probably going to be a bad video. And that means that you need to get more creative with the ways that you approach it, with the styles that you present in, with the ambition of what you actually want to make and produce. Something is missing there to make it a fun and creative and enjoyable experience. And until you solve that, editing's gonna be tedious because it's a chore versus being the experience. Editing is like my favorite part of video making. Everyone jumps to YouTubers. I went on a whole Twitter rant about this if you want to learn more, but like everyone assumes that once you get to a certain point in YouTubing, you should farm out all your work to editors and things like that. But like I spent over 15 years now mastering video editing because I love editing video. I don't want to just hand that off to someone else. Like, it's what I enjoy, and it's where, as I mentioned before, a huge part of the craft comes in. So if you're really hating it that much, either being a video editor isn't for you and you should maybe look towards, outsourcing that or something, or you need to find a way to spice it up so that your videos are a lot more fun, more challenging. Your content's not going to improve if every video is tedious and soul-crushing because you're not doing anything new. So then you need to set challenges for yourself where every video you're doing something new, you're trying a new effect, you're trying to improve on a specific aspect. That way it's always spicy and you're always learning and having fun. That sounded really hippie, but it's true.